Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree if you're new here, and if you're not, you probably don't even recognize me because I look like a whole different person or thing. This is the look. I think I'm gonna blur it out so you can't see it yet, but I'm super duper proud of it. I think it came out super cute, but even if I blur it out, you'll probably see it in the thumbnail, but it's fine, you know. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. Keep watching if you want to know how I did this. Please watch through the ads because I literally spent all my money on Halloween stuff. So let's get started. Ready to see me transform from this queen to this? Let's go. Believe it or not, I actually tried this time to put on the wig and it still looks horrible. Without this hoodie thing, it looks disgusting, so I'm just gonna keep this on the whole entire time. I'm trying to go based off of my flashes on. Based off of this James Charles look, except I want to do a pink version instead of blue because I feel like pink and this would look good. It's gonna be hard because of this stupid hair or this stupid cape. Let's just try and start, shall we? I'm not watching his tutorial, by the way, so I'm just going off the picture and I don't know how good that's gonna go. And I really wanted to do pink because I got a bunch of these Jeffree Star things in his mystery box and he gave me 2 hot pink, which I never ever wear, so it's kind of just a waste. I already know my room's gonna be such a mess after this. That's just wonderful. First, I'm going to outline everything with this lip liner. I'll come back whenever I'm done outlining because this part's boring. Okay, so I decided to start my eyeshadow. I'm gonna start top to bottom. I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette and start with this hot pink in the bottom. I almost just dipped it in like this. Oops. And I'm going to first just pack that. Dang it, I forgot to put as a base. Okay, now we gotta restart. I did my eyebrows already, so you got me. I'm super excited for all the Halloween looks I'm gonna be doing. This is just the first of the many. I'm most excited for like a super scary one that I'm gonna do. But it's gonna be really hard because I have to cover both eyes. That's gonna be really hard. So I think I'm gonna force my sister to do it for me and hopefully she does it good and I won't see it until I'm editing, which is kind of scary. I feel like I've been super motivated lately, but the problem is I get motivated, I film a video, and then I freaking haven't been editing. Like I have a bunch of videos that I need to post, but then I never edit, or else start one thing and then hop straight to another and just keep doing that. So I never end up finishing the thing I started. And I really need to get better at that because that's what's holding me back. That's what I'm practicing on. I made these earrings. It took me about 2 days and I only made 4 pairs because they took me forever and I don't want to make a bunch of them and then no one buy them, you know, and I just have 4 of those for no reason. I will make more on demand, so if these all sell out, you know, which leads me to, if you're interested in helping me out and buying some, my Depop is Desiree5454, and I will also be coming out with a bunch more Halloween jewelry, which I'm super excited to make. These took me forever. It's so hard working with clay. I thought it would be easier, but like maybe it's the clay I got. Like these aren't that great, but they're not that bad either, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna go and sell them for $25 or nothing. Okay, ignore right here. This wig is small, so it doesn't fit my big head. Plus, my giant thing of hair under here doesn't help at all, so. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going in with this color now, right here. Literally, guys, I suck at putting on wigs. Usually, I don't tuck my hair under. I just put it in a ponytail and stick it in the back so that way it's flat up here. But today, I actually wrapped it around my head, took the time to do all that, and it still looks horrible. I think this wig is just too small for my head. I straightened this wig, and I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but it didn't really smell like burning, so girls would come to school. Okay, I can't say that. Anyways, I think I want to do a cut crease with glitter because I want this to be a super duper glam Grim Reaper. Hopefully it doesn't stain my face. That wouldn't be good. I have a video planned that I'm like excited to film, but then also nervous at the same time. I don't want to say what it is, but just know it's gonna be good. I think that's okay. I'm gonna do the cut crease. I don't think I did that bad. So, you know what I think the most annoying part of makeup is? Cleaning your brushes after. So I got this glitter at Dollar Tree because it looked really fine. Okay, maybe it's not that fine. It looks more fine, like, you know what I mean, from far away. My room's gonna be such a mess. Please like, comment, and subscribe. There's gonna be glitter everywhere. Let's just do it. Okay, I don't think it looks like that bad. This wig is so itchy. I just wanna like, right here from the camera, it doesn't look bad, but in real life, it looks bad. And I wonder how it looks editing on like right now on the screen while you're watching. Does it look bad? I'm gonna do my black eyeliner now because this is the best it's gonna get. And do you ever get that feeling like, just leave it alone, don't touch it, or else it's gonna get worse? Yeah, that's how I feel. I'll be right back when my eyeliner's done. I did my eyelashes and mascara and stuff. If you're wondering, I'm using these A11 from Amazon. I don't really like them. They're hard to put on and they don't look good on me, but it's fine. I'm going to be doing, oh yeah, concealer. I'm debating on whether I should cut up these eyelashes and put some at the bottom to give a more dramatic look. I forgot, I don't know where my beauty blender is. So I'm just blending it out with my finger because I can't find my beauty blender. Like, I could see it in my head. Could you ever do that? Like, you could see something in your head, but then like, you don't know where it's at. Like, I remember seeing it somewhere, but I don't remember where. But honestly, the finger's working better because I feel like the beauty blender picks up too much product and leaves my eyes looking the same exact way as they were before. And just lightly tapping with my finger really does that full coverage look. I might use my finger from now on. The reason why I never really ever wear mascara under my eyes is because I feel like it makes my under eyes pop. My concealer never works good. I'm all supposed to be dead. This looks more full coverage than my usual makeup and I look less dead than I usually do. So funny story, whenever I was like 12 or 10 or something, I would legit wear fake vampire teeth almost every day and I swore I was a vampire. I used to live like I was a vampire, wearing a necklace so I could go in the sun. My neighbor at the time, he would say he was a werewolf and I was a vampire, and we would tell my little sisters and his little brother that at night we would go to night school. That's what it was called, night school. It was for vampires and werewolves. They believed us and we like lived by that. I don't think my little sisters believed me because they went with us to go get the teeth. I found the teeth that I used to wear at Walmart and it just gave me nostalgia. Literally, this is how they used to come too, and I was like, oh my goodness, the package hasn't even changed a bit. So cute, huh? I used to wear these all the time. These are even big for me right now though, so I wonder how they looked on my little tiny teeth. Like, these are huge. How did they fit in my mouth? I have all my Halloween stuff in here, and I swear to God, please don't let it be dried out because it's from last year's Halloween. If it's dried out, I'm gonna have to like, okay, I don't think it's dried out. It's gonna say I'm gonna have to use actual paint, and I don't think that's good for my skin. All I need is the black and white, but I also have vampire blood, which is for a different look. All this stuff is from last year. I think I'm gonna do the pink first and then the black. Just ignore these, okay? I know it looks horrible. Look at my ear. But yeah, anyways, whenever I was like 10, I would collect Monster High dolls. I was obsessed with Monster High dolls. So it was bad. And my room, it was Nightmare Before Christmas themed. I've always been into like super scary like monsters and stuff. Even to this day, Nightmare Before Christmas and Coraline and The Corpse Bride are my top favorite movies, hands down. It goes Coraline, Corpse Bride, and then Nightmare Before Christmas. Those are definitely my favorite, and I think it has to do with the claymation. I love claymation movies. To me, they're just pure freaking talent. This is so dried out and I haven't even used it once. It's my goal to one day make a claymation movie by myself. Like, maybe not by myself, but directed by me. I want to make and design the characters. It's gonna take so long, I already know, but like, it's something I want to do. I think I did this wrong. What can I say? I look a whole mess. I look like a clown. I want to do a video recreating my 6th or 7th grade Halloween makeup because, oh my god, hilarious. My eyeshadow definitely came out better, but I don't know how this whole situation's gonna come out. My battery is kind of dying, so if it cuts out, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with the white eyeliner now because it's more fine tipped. Bruh, are you kidding? This shit just dried out, bro. I've used this once. You guys should recommend some scary movies down below. You guys should watch Pan's Labyrinth. It's not really scary, but it's like some parts are kind of creepy, I guess you could say. I just realized when I was little, while most kids were having their I'm a mermaid phase, deadass thought they were mermaids and preached that they were mermaids. While they were doing that, I was over there preaching I was a vampire. I remember one time this is so embarrassing. My best friend at the time, the same one that would collect Monster High dolls with me, she was in Girl Scout and she invited me to her Girl Scouts meeting one time, and it was at a church, and I was like, dude, I don't know if I should go. Remember, I'm a vampire. And I don't know if she believed me. She played along with it, but I was like, fine, I'll go, but like, you gotta help me keep an eye out for crosses and stuff, garlic and stuff like that. I remember every time I would see a cross or walk by, I'd be like, and like back up against the wall and like go as far as I could and be like, ow. I'm gonna ask her if she knew or if she believed me. I was a weird kid, man. This tooth is ugly. I'm gonna charge my camera and finish doing all the white, and then I'll get back to you guys, okay? I didn't even put the same amount of teeth on each side. I'll be back. My camera just finished charging. Shane Dawson just put out episode 2 of the Jeffree Star series, and I almost didn't come back to film because I wanted to watch it. Oh yeah, by the way, I did some black. Sorry. Yeah, I really wanted to watch it instead of finishing this, but I know I'd feel like a disappointment if I did that. I'm forcing myself to watch that later and finish this makeup. Let's get to it, Let's get to it, shall we? If you can't tell, I was eating hot chips, which was a bad idea. I can't even really talk while doing this, so I should just be watching the series while doing my makeup. I like how it's coming out so far though. Okay, also I started this show called Light as a Feather on Hulu, and it's actually really good. At first I thought it was like one of those not put together shows that are like rushly performed and bad acting, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, it's actually really good. It has Alex Wasabi in it, and he was like the first YouTuber that I started watching, now that I think about it. Back then when I first started getting on YouTube and stuff, I remember the first video I watched of him was the parody with Rolanda, and back whenever Wasabi Productions was Alex and Roy, he should have never left. They would do like the parodies with Rolanda and Roger, I think. Was it Roger? I don't know. I have bad memory. So now I'm just gonna go over all the white around everything because it's faded a lot. So honestly, I can't even talk during this, so I'm gonna play my show and get back to you guys whenever I'm done because I don't want my battery to die all fast again. I'm taking this small brush and just outlining the pink inside like this. I need to brush this out. So now I'm just gonna do the lower lashes because I only did one. So how I'm gonna do that is cut up the lashes, the same ones I used in the top. I'm just gonna fast forward through all this because it's probably boring for you guys, and I'm trying to watch this show, to be honest. This looks so cool though. I'm proud of myself. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with the look and I'm super happy with how it came out. I like how the eyelashes look. I think it gives it that touch of like, you know, I look so different, like completely different. Wow, I really like this look though. I think it's super duper cute, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. Oh wait, I forgot the finishing touches. So I made these out of clay. They're little, I don't know what they're called, reefer things. I made them specifically for this look. I went and bought a bunch of Halloween stuff, so It's cute. I like it. I'm feeling myself now because earlier I wasn't so sure. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry if I gave a sucky tutorial. If you thought so, go watch James's tutorial because he probably went way more in detail. Oh well, it's fine. I think this looks awesome. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!